What's up and welcome to Dustin Off the Pans. I'm going to start today by dusting off that barbecue outside, doing a pork loin roast with my homemade brown sugar dry rub that is super delicious and easy to make. So without further ado, let's get started. Then you take that baby, put it right in the bowl with sugar. Alright guys, so now that you've put some love into that meat, you've massaged it into that delicious pork, you're going to let that sit in the fridge 4 hours minimum. Longer the better with pork. If you want to go a whole day, do a whole day. It'll be better. And then you're going to get you a piece of foil, write the time you put it in there, the time you're going to take it out, and pop it in the fridge. Alright there guys, first tip, preheat the barbecue. You want to get some nice grill marks, some nice char on the pork. Test your grill. If it sizzles like that, toss that pork on. Look at that baby. Beautiful. Leave all those juices in there. I'll show you what to do with that in a sec. Close the lid and get your char on. I'm going to show you guys what to do with this next. Alright guys, so how you keep that pork nice and moist is you take all that sugary goodness, all those juices left, okay, in the bowl, and you just baste it a little bit throughout. Get yourself a little olive oil. Toss maybe 2 tablespoons. Give that a little stir. We're going to brush it on the pork momentarily. Alright then guys, let's check out those grill marks. Nice. That's all that sugar, all that brown sugar right there. Now that we got that nice char, let's go ahead and turn the temperature down and move it to tip number 3, your cold spot on your grill. For me, that's on this side. So now that we've turned the heat down, let's go ahead and close the lid, let her go for a little while longer. What everyone needs. Tip number 4 is a thermometer. Okay, a meat thermometer. Pork, my pork, I like about 150 degrees, 155 degrees. After that, a 3 to 5 minute rest. Okay? Minimum. A lot of twists in a small grill like this. Alright, so once it gets up to temperature, which is 150, we'll go ahead and bring it in and I'll show you guys what it looks like. We're going to let this guy rest for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to cut into it. Beautiful. Perfectly cooked. Let's give it a taste. Going right off the board here. Juicy, tender, nice crust on the outside. Great caramelization, added a whole lot of flavor. It's super juicy. You can't go, I don't think you can go juicier than that piece of pork. We cooked it for about 50 minutes, 5-0, okay? And it's gonna vary with your size of pork, what pound you got, whatever. That's why I said always just trust the internal temperature of 150, 155. That'll leave a perfectly moist, delicious pork loin for you right off of the barbecue. Hope you guys liked today's episode. Go enjoy that pork, make it for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Until next time, keep cooking and we'll see you later.